Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 5, that is, Does it look the same? Now, 1/4 turn. So, here is the boy in this first picture who is in standing position, means the legs are downside and hands are upside. So, what will happen in 1/4 turn? Means in which position he will come to. So if you will take a right turn in 1/4, so you will get this type of position. A sleeping position you will get. This position is known as 1/4 turn. If you will take right turn, okay. Now what will happen if this sleeping position will go to another 1/4 turn? So you will get this type of position, means just upside down of the first picture, okay. So how can you say, means its hands are downside and legs are upside? So this is the, you can say half upside down, or you can say it is double of 1/4. Means 2 1/4 makes half, as you know. So this is just half turn, okay. Now what will happen if this position will go to another 1/4 turn? So you will get another 1/4 position, means another sleeping position you will get. If you will turn from the right side now, and in another 1/4 turn you will come back to your original position. Now does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? So you can see here we have a blades of fan. So all blades are colored in blue. So what will happen if you will take a 1/4 to the right turn? So what will happen? So this upper blade will come here. So this is blue. So there will be no change. So here you can see a 1/4 turn. So there are no changes, this type of shapes. Now will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. So first we will observe this picture. So you can see the blades are same, but the colors are different. One yellow, one blue, yellow, blue. And what will happen after 1/4 turn? Let's try to draw in yellow box. Draw the fan. Okay. In this way, 4 blades. This is 4 blades, and we will fill the color blue and yellow. Blue color, and yellow color. Here you can see after 1/4 turn the picture is not looking the same as its previous picture. Colors are different, yellow, blue, yellow and blue. So this is not same. Practice time. A. Among the following shapes, find out which ones would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a right, put a wrong on the shapes that will not look the same after half a turn. First picture, this is a triangular shape. So in 1/4 turn it means come to right side. So this shape this way. So it will not look the same. So you will do not put a tick, okay, and check it half turn. So it will look like this. So this is not same as it is original picture. So here we will put wrong. Means not looking as the half turn. Second picture we have a house. These are windows. So check for 1/4 turn. It will look like this way. It is not look like the same, so can't put right here. And check half turn. So in half turn it will look like this, as it is not same as previous picture in half turn. So picture 1 and picture 2 you will put a cross. Here we have many pictures. One by one try to understand. In third picture these are 2 circles, blue and sky blue. So what will happen in 1/4 turn? In 1/4 turn the blue circle will come to upper side and another one will come to the downside. So it is not same. So can't put a tick here. And check it half turn. In half turn it will also not same. Why? Because it has 2 different colors. So here third picture put a cross. Fourth, we have a square divided in 4 equal squares and all have same color, pink. So in 1/4 turn it will look the same, and in half turn it will also look the same. So you cannot put the cross here. So 4 will be right. Fifth, you have also another square but with a different color. So in 1/4 turn what will happen? The color will be changed. So it will not look the same in 1/4 turn, and in half turn it will also change. So here you will put a cross. Sixth, we can see that the picture all sides are same. Means its border are triangular and in center we have square and outer side we have triangle, octagon and square. So in 1/4 turn it will be definitely look the same. You can put right here, and in half turn it look the same. So you cannot put cross here. And seventh, in 1/4 turn it will not look the same. So you cannot put right here, and half turn you will not look the same. So you will put a cross here. 8, you have a circle, means wheel. So in 1/4 turn definitely look the same. So just put a right, and half turn definitely it will same. So you cannot put cross here.